This video was taken down worldwide by YouTube, Russian media, and NBC for filing copyright takedown claim. Your video has been blocked. Video blocked in all countries. NBC Universal. Blocked in all countries. Blocked worldwide. Omega Watchman. Monthly recaps of current events relating to end-time Bible prophecy. Luke chapter 21 verse 25. Signs in the sun. Signs in the moon. Signs in the stars. Upon the earth, distress of nations. The seas, and the waves roaring. October 1st through the 15th, 2016 recap. Luke chapter 21 verse 28. And when these things begin to come to pass, then look up, and lift up your heads, for your redemption draweth nigh. Luke chapter 21 verse 25. The seas, and the waves roaring.
And it is hell. The storm surge of a monster cyclone like Matthew, if it hits just right, will wash homes away and leave anyone inside to die a violent death. You see what I'm saying? It's hitting a much more populated area. Maybe it will stay offshore. Maybe Florida will get lucky. It's a very big maybe. Maybe it will stay offshore. Maybe Florida will get lucky. It's a very big maybe, and it's not a gamble you can take. As Florida's governor has warned repeatedly, this storm will kill you. It will kill your children, it will kill your pets, and everyone you know who wants to.
Ava is a beast of a storm. It is the equivalent of a Category 5 hurricane on the Saffir-Simpson scale, winds 165 miles per hour. Super Typhoon Chaba is a beast of a storm. It is the equivalent of a Category 5 hurricane on the Saffir-Simpson scale, winds 165 miles per hour.
This morning, Bermuda is a bullseye in the projected path of Hurricane Nicole. This is what the dangerous Category 4 hurricane looks like from the International Space Station. Nicole has maximum sustained winds of up to 130 miles an hour. It is expected to make landfall a little bit later today.
And all eyes, at least my eyes, and now your eyes are going to be in the Pacific Northwest. When you take a look at this, this pummeling they're about to receive, it's going to be brutal through the weekend. Strong winds can be expected. They're going to roar through those mountain passes. Tree damage, all but a certainty. Heavy rainfall. That's going to be an issue too. So flooding, mudslides, it is really the lions, tigers, and bears of rough weather that you can expect.
Several record-breaking sea storms occurred around the planet in just a matter of days. Psalms 107 verse 25, For he commandeth, and raiseth the stormy wind, which lifteth up the waves thereof.
Expanded the area where the storm may hit. See this? Melbourne, Daytona Beach, all the way up to Jacksonville. This moves 20 miles to the west, and you and everyone you know are dead. All of you. Because you can't survive it. It's not possible unless you're very, very lucky. And your kids die too. Maybe it will stay offshore. Maybe Florida will get lucky. It's a very big maybe.
Original section removed for NBC copyright worldwide takedown.
Hurricane Matthew making landfall in the Bahamas before the sun could show the damage. A strong Category 3 shaking the island. Bright lights and sparks from explosions visible numerous times as the delicate electric grid failed. The morning light shows the aftermath. One hotel facade ripped off, exposing the rooms inside. Trees snapped like twigs, now blocking many roads. Hammocks and mattresses stuck in trees. Boats wrecked on dry land. And the demand for fuel is high. Crowds swarm. Limited working gas
Hurricane
pumps.
Matthew has already left a lethal imprint on Haiti, killing more than 800 people and leaving tens of thousands homeless. Now it is moving on, heading up the Atlantic coast through Georgia, South Carolina, and into North Carolina.
That this is the hand of the Lord, and he is going to move. That this is the hand of the Lord, and he is going to move. For we know that all things work together for good. I am not discouraged at all.
Hurricane Matthew also hit Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina with mega flooding, totaling over $6 billion in damages. During the same couple of weeks that Hurricane Matthew occurred, Hurricane Nicole crushed Bermuda. Typhoon Chiba destroyed South Korea and Japan. And now Oregon, Washington, and Northern California are being hit with a series of powerful sea storms. Luke chapter 21 verse 25. The seas, and the waves roaring,